we found a dead tree, pushed it over, and it fell straight down. So now X-Ray liquid fill is trying to drop it, because that is dead tree, and that's straight up resource. Death by Boonda. Oh snap! That didn't do nothing. Oh! Resource. Resource. Now that we got okie dokie, guys. So this is the spot that we decided to camp. Now, it is a creek bed. It's not planning on raining. It's got clear skies, so we're okay tonight. So tonight we're going to stay here and then ship on out in the morning and keep going and see if we can make it. I think we got 2 more days to make it out of here. So anyway, let's get started. Make sure this shit's going to hold. So what our plan is, we're going to get some wood, cut down some small trees, and make a raised bed platform here. So in case it does rain, it'll just right under us, and we'll be good to go. Right? All right. Anyway. So what I'm doing is I'm just making a little string tied to the tree and some knots, and then now my bag's off the ground. I don't know if you can see that or not, so let me move it. Bag is off the ground.
You want this one?
I do have a tarp in here we might use later, but anyway.
You want this one?
Yep, all of them that size. Any of them that you can find in this area. Let's get a shot of X-Ray in action. I need 142, soldier. This is X-Ray sawing a log. Wait, you got to show them what kind of tool you're using. Now, we forgot the big saw that we had. I left it. So right now, only thing we have is our backup saw, which is
HDX.
the Home Depot version HDX. I have a review on this already, well, sorta, kinda, on the internet, my YouTube video. So just look and you can find it. But this is what we're using right now to saw. So $5, people, $5. That's all I'm saying. And action.
It works.
Yeah. Hey. Whatever works. Let's move the camera back. So I'm just gonna put some in there, judge it, put some water in there, see what's up. In fact, we gotta have enough for 2 people. So let me add a little bit more. Dinner for 2. Okay, so I got 2 cups going. Canteen cup and a water bottle cup. So I got them on the fire. I got some soup mix and some water in them. And we're gonna heat it up. Let it sit for about 10-20 minutes. See what we got. Okay, YouTubers, so we ate. The camera died, so we didn't have us eat, but we both ate the soup that I made, so it was good. We're going to try and make some ash cakes later. Our fire has died down a little bit, but I'm trying to keep a small profile. And X-Ray liquid fill is chilling on his little bitty, somewhat humble hobody over there. We went on the scouting trip. We let our fire go out. So X-Ray's trying to bring it back to life. Way to go, X-Ray. It's dark. Trying to get our fire going so we can turn our lights off. Tomorrow what we're gonna do tomorrow, scout another couple of miles in. We'll set up camp at another spot tomorrow and go from there, I guess. Alright guys, well if anything happens, I'll turn you back on, but we're just gonna get this fire going and yeah, turn in for the night, and we'll catch you in the X-Ray liquid fill, trying out his shelter. Or not. What part?
Anyways, I'm going to cover this right here over, but I want to test the strength of the main structure.
Yeah, but you got like 4 cross struts, so you're going to be like laying on 4 lumps.
Nope.
How uncomfortable is it?
It's not, because I put all the leaves under it to cushion it. Depends on if you're a bitch or not.
Oh, like a baby.
I need some covers.
Step on it. Something wrong with that guy.